Hello and welcome you all in this online English practicing class. Today our topic is resources are blessing or curse. First you have to select one. Then I will choose blessings or curse. Alright, first of all you have to explain your point. Alright. Actually, in my terms, resources are not blessing, they are actually curse. Why? Because whenever you see you have a lot of things to do, you can't do anything. If you pamper your children, he will not succeed in his life. So the blessing, for example, whenever you see the rich people and they are the poor people, the rich people might be they are the richer, but most of the cases their children don't do anything. Besides this, they provide them lot of facilities, lot of teaching, and they have the knowledge to do the things, but they can't do anything like their parents. On the other hand, whenever you see that who topped the board examination, who is a new inventor, who has the more power, who is most successful entrepreneur, they mostly belong to this category. They are the poor. In the most cases, they have no resources. On the other hand, the rich people have all resources. So resources are actually cursed. When you have the resources, you can't do anything. You will sit idle and say that I have all the things, why I should do work. On the other hand, the poor might think that he has nothing and he have to work. So he work hard to become on this category. Okay. In my terms, resources are actually abundance of blessings. Let me give you another example. I belong to the Pakistan, so I have one notion about it. So whenever you think about the Pakistan, or if you live in a Pakistan, from very first class to the last class, we have already know about the thing that Pakistan is the blessed country. We have the four seasons, we have a lot of rivers, we have the best river management system in whole subcontinent, and lot of other things that we have a lot of resources. But where do Pakistan or India stands? India and the Pakistan both belong to the same boat, both belong to the same fate. They don't have a much per capita income. They don't people. Most of the people who live under the poverty. India and Pakistan, if they have all resources, they have the all blessings. Why the most of the people live under the poverty line? They have the best river system, they have the best mining system, they have the different mountains range, they have the agriculture. So if all these blessings are available here, then why they don't grow? On the contrary, if we think about the Japan, then you will see about this country that this country has no river, and it is mostly the mountainous area where it doesn't have to do their agriculture, and it also faced the World War I and World War II. But this country has the most industrial revolution in the whole world. Its economy is better than the India, its economy is better than the Pakistan. It has no resources at all. But on the contrary, we have the India and the Pakistan have the resources at all. They have the best thing, they have the four seasons, they have the best agriculture, they have the river system, but where do they belong? So in my opinion, blessings are actually curse for the people, because they always sit idle and they don't do anything, because they think they have all things in their hands. Actually, resources mean abundance of something. If we have the abundance of the food, if we have the abundance of work, if we have abundance of anything, then we will not do work like the poor people, like those people who don't work at all. All right. I have a lot of other examples too. If we talk about the education, who top the examination every time, they belong to the poor category. They are mostly poor. Whenever you see about the exams, who top the IPSC, who top the UPSC in Pakistan, who top the CSS, PMS, mostly they belong to the poor category because they have no other option without educating themselves. In my opinion, if you give your children a lot of the things, if you pamper them a lot in their daily matters, they will not work hard. We should utilize our resources in a proper way, like the example of a China. They divide their agriculture system in a proper way, they divide their industrial portion in a proper way. So resources are not blessing or curse. Actually, we need to reform it, we need to amplify it in a proper way. We are not in the favor of blessings or a curse, but we have to give you a one mindset regarding to the blessings. If you have the blessings, if you have the resources, then utilize it in a proper way. If you are a parent, then you have to impose it, or you have to utilize it with your children, so they will not be just like a pampered in every corner of their life, but they will utilize it in a proper way. This video is only for the education purpose. We are not in the favor of resources or blessing, or we are not in the favor of resources or curse, but it was just to communicate with you. We have no hidden purpose at all. Thank you for watching this whole video. You are welcome.